Kids TV.
Oh, hello, my dear children. Welcome to Fun and Learn. Hello, Granny. What are we doing today? Today, we're going to learn how to make more edible slime. Oh, yay! I love slime. So, we take 1 cup of any sweet, fizzy drink. And we stir it to get the fizz out. Then we add the psyllium husk, about 1 tablespoonful of it. We stir. Together. Look at that. Can you see it?
Yes, Granny. It looks thicker already.
Look at that. And the slime is ready. That was fast.
Yay!
I love playing with slime.
Yay! So much fun.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. Gobble, 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 goo, goo, goo. Poo, 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 beep, beep, beep. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Poo, 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 poo. Pee, pee, pee. So that was how you make edible slime really easily. If you like our video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!